All right, today we're going to review the 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. This is the MRT Badass exhaust system. This is the full sound, performance sound, tough truck, kind of American truck sound, featuring our 304 stainless steel exhaust system manufactured here in Plymouth, Michigan. Let's take it for a drive. Just mild tip in, kind of round town type driving mode. Definitely have a full, deep exhaust presence. It's noticeable. You're hearing it. It's not overwhelming. It's not obnoxious. Performance sound for sure. We'll get up to the highway here. Go wide open throttle, and it's got some go. It sounds like it's coming. So that full, big, tough truck sound, absolutely there. It's got a cool sound. Cruising at the highway speed around here anyhow is about 80 miles an hour. Typically about where you would get into drone or resonance if it's an issue. I am picking up on no drone or resonance. Tip in a little bit. It drops a gear right away. It really doesn't let you get into that load-driven drone period. So very comfortable on the highway. I hear exhaust in the background just kind of as a background sound. It's not overwhelming, not obnoxious. So for the ratings, for the get noticed factor, we're up there. Let's say we're at about a 9 or so out of 10. So go wide open throttle. It's got some song. People are going to know that you're coming. Fun to drive. To me, loud vehicles are fun vehicles, so this is a blast. As far as performance, noticeable tip-in throttle response difference. It seems to dig a little bit harder out of the hole. And overall, great package. This is the one I'd put on my truck. Give us a call at MRT. We'll send you one.